A lot of pigs have really overgrown hooves because they're not always the most cooperative animals. And so without having someone special come out to throw the pig and trim their hooves with hoof nippers, which they hate, a lot of pigs just end up not getting their hooves trimmed. So I have a really easy way to keep a pig's hooves in great shape with zero stress to the pig or to the pig's owner. A good belly rub is all it typically takes to get a pig to lay down and cooperate for you. If it's not used to being handled, you might have to spend some time getting it gentled to where it will lay down when you rub its belly, and then you can start to work on its feet. So all you need is a regular old human fingernail file. Extra coarse or coarse is what I like to use to do this. So you just take your extra coarse side of your fingernail file and you just start to file on the pig's hoof. So the pigs that I've done this with seem to actually love it. And that's really all that you do. You'll start out just taking a relatively small portion off of each hoof. You don't want to take off too much all at once, or it can end up making the pig walk funny and its hooves being kind of sore. So be a little bit conservative when you start, and it can take a little time initially if the pig's hooves are really long. Pig came to live with us a few months ago, and his hooves haven't been done in a long time, so he's got a pretty good chunk of hoof here that's going to need to come off. I'll do about half of it today, and then I'll do the other half of it in a week or so. And after that, it'll just be a quick 5 minutes every once a month or so to get his hooves to stay in really perfect condition. This is a super easy way to stay on top of your pig's hooves and make it completely stress-free for both you and the pig. All right, his hoof is quite a bit shorter than it was. That's all I'm going to do for today. I will finish up the rest of his hooves, and then in a week or so I will come back and do one more round, and that should get him to where they're about the right length. After that, it'll just be quick maintenance every month or so to take the edges off, and he will have nice healthy hooves that are the right length so that it's easier for him to walk around. Good boy, Pig.